Hi, welcome to Winimatics. I am still yours, Winifred. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button now. Do it now. Have you done that? Well done. And equally click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. Okay? Alright, if you're preparing for any examination, especially WAEC or junior and senior WAEC, I think this channel is very, very important for you. And also inform your friends. Make use of these videos. And this is not just video you just see that I'll be watching. No. Make sure you have your writing materials, your pen, your book, and take notes, solve along with me. Okay? Alright. We have 6 questions here. I'll be attempting 4. I'll be answering 4 questions for you, and then 2 will be given to you as your assignment. Make sure you use the comment section to ask questions or to comment on the video. If the video is helping you, let us know. If there's something you think we should add, let us equally know. Okay? And you can also follow us on our social media handles on Winimatics. You're seeing it on the screen there. Alright. Number basis is actually, let's just quickly, the topic for today, this video is number basis. Number basis is a system of counting, and that tells us the number of digits is a particular base has. Like, but the commonly used one is base 10. It's called a decimal number system. Alright, and each base has a particular number of digits they have. For instance, base 2 is called binary. Binary numbers. Binary numbers has only 2 digits, zeros and 1. So 1 is the highest digit you find in binary number. Then base 3 has 3 digits, zeros, 1, 2. 2 is the highest number for base 3. It's called ternary. We have base 4, the quaternary. They have 4 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the highest digit. For base 5 quinary, we have 5 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the highest. We have base 6, the senary, yes, it has 6 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have base 7, it has 7 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each of these base, the highest number is a number less than it. That is the immediate number less than it. Okay, you do that, you get to base 10. Base 10 has 10 digits, 0 to 9. Okay, so why we say that it's commonly used is that any number you can think of is a combination of zeros to 9, is it not? So it is a generally used number base. Alright, so like I said, I have 6 questions here. I'm going to answer just 4, 2 here, and then the remaining 1 for here and the remaining 1 for here. We will do it, attempt it, and make sure you get it right. Okay, so let's start with this. We want to look at how do we convert numbers to base 10. Convert numbers to base 10. How do we do that? So we answer this. This is binary number base 2, and this is equally base 2. So I'll take one of them. I think I should take this. I'll answer this and this. Then you use the method that I'm going to use now and attempt this. You will get it all. Okay, so I start with this. Whenever you are converting other base, any other base that is not base 10, if you are moving any base to base 10, we normally use what we call expansion method. Expansion method, this is how it goes. This is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, base 2. I'm moving it to base 10, so I will place numbers from here from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I see it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will start my expansion. My expansion will be 1, this one here, times this 2, raised to the power on top 4, plus this 0 times this 2, raised to power 3, plus this 1 times the base 2, raised to power 2, the 2 on top of it, plus this 0 times 2, this base 2, raised to power 1, plus this 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Look at it very well. Let me cover it with brackets so that we don't get confused. Alright. Are you seeing it? This times the base raised to power plus 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 this times the base raised to power. You see it? So that's why I said it's practical. You can't just be watching it. Make sure you're doing what I'm doing. It will sync. Alright. So, okay, let's start to expand it. This means 1 times 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is not the same as 2 times 4. It's 2 times 2 times 2. 2 raised to power 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So it means 16. 1 times 16 plus. Okay. Let me still be covering it like this. Okay, this one is 0, but I'm going to tell you something. Anytime you have 0, you can take it off. Why am I knocking it off? Because anything times 0 will give you 0. So at the end of the day, even if I solve this thing, it's still going to boil down to 0. So there's no point of writing it 0. You can decide to reduce it to 0. So this is 0. I'll leave it. I'll go to the one that has 1. I have 1 times 2 raised to power 2 means 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. So I have 4. Plus, this one is 0. You see it? Like I said here, 0 times anything will give me 0. So even if I do 2 raised to power 1 as 2, if I do 0 times 2, it will still be 0. So I can take it, knock it off. So it's 0. I'll go to this one. 1 times anything raised to power of 0 is equal to 1. We will not be able to prove it in this video, but that is just take it. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 2 raised to power 0 is 1, so I have 1 here. Okay, so let's go. We start opening. 1 times 16 is 16 plus 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 times 1 is 1. Alright, so let's add. 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 1, 21. So I have 21 base 10. So I'm converting this to, we convert this to base 10. Base 10. Yes. So I've changed it to base 10. So meaning that this number 10101 base 2 is equivalent to 21 in base 10. Is that clear? Okay. I think you're gonna answer this too. It's simple. Is it not simple? You should still try that one. Okay, no problem. Let me do that. Okay, so I have a 1, 3, 4, 0 base 5. I'm changing it to base 10. So the same method 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'll do 1 times 5 raised to power 3 plus 3 times 5 raised to power 2 plus 4 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 0 times 5 raised to power 0. Okay, so I'll start if I like, cover it. Okay, 1 times 5 raised to power 3 means 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Can try it. Make sure we are not getting it wrong. Plus 3 times 5 raised to power 2, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 4 times 5 raised to power 1 is 5. Like I said, this one 0 is multiplied, so whatever it is going to be 0, so I can leave it. 1 times 125 is 125 plus 3 times 25, 3 times 5 is 15, carry 1, 3 times 6 is 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 4 times this is 20. Alright, so we add 125 plus, let's go and do it here, 125 plus 75 plus 20, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry 1, put it here, 3, 10, 12, 2, carry 1, put it here, 2. So I'm going to have 220 base 10. So 1340 is the same thing as 220 in base 10. Is that clear? Is it not very simple? It's simple, right? Okay, so that is how to convert to base 10. Anytime you're moving to base 10, you use expansion method. Alright, let's quickly look at how to convert from base 10 to other bases. Okay, we do, like I said, I'm going to do this and this, try this. Okay, so I'm going to convert 273 base 10 to base 5. So anytime we're moving from base 10 to other base, we use what we call line method. So this is my line method, base 5, this is 5. 5 divided 27 is 4, 4. No, sorry. 5, 5 remainder 2, you put that 2 is 23. 5 in 23 is 4, 4 remainder 3. Remainder 3. 5 here is 1, 0, remainder 4. 5 here is 2, no remainder 0. 5 here, it cannot go, so it's 0, remainder 2. So, you write from down upward, 2, 0, 4, 3. Base. Base what? Base 5. Is that clear? So, meaning this is equivalent to this in business. So, this is 2 zeros, 4, 3. This is actually very simple. So, let's try another one. I hope you're writing. Make sure you're writing. Let's try this 94 base 10. We're changing it to base 2. So anyone you're changing, the base you're changing it is what you're going to use to be divided. So base 2, 2 divide 9 is 4, 4 remainder 1. Put it here, 14. 2 divide 14, 7. No remainder, write 0. 2 divide this is 2. 2 divide this is 3, 3 remainder 1. Put 1. 2 here is 1. 2 here is 1. Remainder 1. 2 here is 2 divided 10 is 5, 5, remainder 1. 2 here is 2, 2, remainder 1. 2 here is 1, 1, no remainder, so 0. And 2 in 1 will not go 0, remainder 1. So that I will have 1, 0, from down up, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 is 2. Is it not that very simple? Okay, so just use the example, the explanation, the way I did my own, both this first part and the second part, and attempt the remaining ones here, and make use of the comment section to send in your answers. Follow us on our social media handles, ask your questions, tell us how you feel about the video. It's very, very important to us. And remember once again to share with your friends, especially those preparing for examination, both junior and senior WAEC. I'm still yours, Winifred, and this is Winimatics, where mathematics is simplified. See you in our next video. Bye, 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 bye.